Hello, my name is Ed Santos. I'm the Brazilian Portuguese teacher here at London Lessons in Shepherd's Bush. I would like to invite you to join us and learn a new language. It's fun, it's easy, and it's affordable. You can learn Brazilian Portuguese with me in 6 months, or you can learn Spanish, Italian, French, German, Mandarin, Arabic, English, and any other language you want. Our teachers are well qualified and experienced. You can learn here in our school in Shepherd's Bush. We can teach you at home, in your office, or you can join one of our online classes. Click down here to visit our website and learn a bit more about our school. I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.